Hey everybody, I'm Gokul from Restoration Brokers of America. On every contract and every buyer, there's a term and a clause called earnout, right? And you want to get familiar with it. So what is an earnout? So basically when buyers buy a business, they want some kind of a downside protection. So they'll give you an offer, let's say $10 million, and they'll say, okay, for the next year, if your revenues and your profits hit a certain benchmark, you're going to get, let's say, another $1 million. And then in the second year, if it hits a certain benchmark with a 10 or 15% growth, you get another $1 million. So that is really the concept of an earnout. So why do buyers do that? So when they're writing you a check for a lot of money, they want to make sure that the business continues to perform as advertised. And if it doesn't, they want to pay a little bit less for your business. So basically what they're doing is taking, let's say they're going to pay you $12 million for your business. They're going to pay you 10 upfront, and then they're going to pay you, let's say, $1 million and $1 million year one, year two, depending on how the company performs. So that is what an earnout is, and that is what it typically looks like. Usually they will require you to have about a 10% growth in the first year for you to hit that number. And then they usually will have a 10 to 15% growth in the second year for you to hit that number. So one of the things you really want to watch out with an earnout is if you are going to agree to it, you want to make sure that those benchmarks are realistic and achievable. If not, we need to go back and negotiate more of your money up front. So that's typically what earnouts look like. If you got any questions, reach out to us at www.rbasales.com.